See, the shirt's in there because this area over here was all flat and downwards, so I was trying to raise it up. Same with this. And I'm gonna have to put shoe glue here. Haven't used it yet because it hasn't come in the mail, but it should work. Alright. Same with over here. Ripped there. I'm hoping this shoe glue should do the job over here too, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to iron this. Hopefully it'll keep its shape when I take the shirt out of there. Ghetto, I know. And this hole, I'm still not sure what. I'm still not quite sure what to do with that. Well, there's part 2.